Can you notice something from my face? Recently, sometimes I might just try to make my face ugly, having some, rashes and all that. Within 2 days, I will use something very perfect for the face and it will all go off. All these are just the face cleanser that we be making. Yes, if you really care about your face smoothly, with this cleanser, you can be using this cleanser morning, evening, or morning, night per se. All right. Now, this yellow CC face cleanser is a cleanser that can really get your face neat, as much as simple as ABC. No any yama yama for your face. Like a lot of people, when heat can even make, like now you can see my face now. I'm really because I'm still in the production room. You can see that I'm really having some heat on my face right now, so like kind of sweat. When I'm done, I will wash my face. When I wash my face, I use the yellow CC face cleanser to clean my face very well before you see. No any side effect, no before you see nothing like pimples, rashes, or sunburn. For those of us who be suffering for sunburn so bad, oh come on, this is what you can. And you see, it's a lightener, not just. It's also a lightener that it will make your face unique. It will make your face like you have when your face look dull and coupled with the sunburn, all those pimples. If you use this for morning night, before you know it, I'm not just telling you because it's my own product. No, I'm telling you the fact that what it's gonna do for you. Before you know it, will clean your face. Morning night, in 3 days, you will see that your face is neat. Your face is neat. For some of us that have all these big pimples, don't cut them, don't buzz them, don't try to press them, or you go for some kind of go waste your money, or you're trying to do some cleanup. So no, don't do all that. Please use just a face cleanser. Is okay for you. Just need to just use your cotton wool, wash your face very well. I have a soap for it, which is what I'm holding now. You use this soap to wash your face very well. After that, then you use this yellow CC face cleanser to clean your face, my people. Now, so past like I know you should not be magic at all. In 3 days, you see results. So what's up? Why are you going wasting billions and all that, do operation surgery for your face? See, where you stop wasting money. If you don't know what to use money to do, go to the orphanage home and dash them. You hear me? So that is that. I'll see you again. Bye bye.